graders. Hope you're having a great day. Today is our last day to work on our recycled instruments rondo for Earth Day. Earth Day is going to be on April 22nd. We are going to perform these on April 19th at our Google Meet. Okay, since that's the day I'll be seeing you in person on the week of Earth Day. So most of you have made up your A section, and I told you at your Google Meet, we're going to do an A section all together. So all you have to do is cross out the A and turn it into a B. So you have your B section done. And your A section is what I am going to show you. So you do not have to make up your A section. Now, if you haven't done that yet, make sure you do your B section. All you have to do is draw 12 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you can use eighth notes, quarter rests, 16th notes, half notes, or half rests. Remember, if you decide to do a half rest, it looks like a hat. Make sure you use this one blank after it because it gets 2 beats. Okay, everybody clap my B section I made up with me. Here we go. Ta, ti, ti, ta, tika, tika, ta, tika, tika, ta. Ta. Good. And we're going to be performing these in rondo form. So we do the A section, then we do the B section. Then we go back to the A section. Then we go to the C section. Sorry, I did this really fast, so it's sort of sloppy. My C section is also 12 beats. So you already have your A section done because we're doing it together. Then the B section you're going to make up. And you also have to make up your own C section. Okay, clap this one for me. Ta, ta. Ti, ti, tika, 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 ta. Ta. Whoa, that last line, you don't even play anything until the very end because it goes rest, 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 ta. Clap that one again for me. It's tricky. Half note, ti, ti, tika, 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 ta. Ta. And then we would go back to the A section. A, B, A, C, A. Okay, so all I need for you to do this week is make up your B and your C section. They should be different, 12 beats each, okay? And then once you get those written out, I want you to practice them on your recycled instruments. So here's what I have. It's not very fancy. It's a tin can, an empty Kleenex box, and an empty plastic sour cream container. Let's back it on up here. Okay, let's see what it sounds like. And you could use pencils for your mallets. You could use chopsticks. You could use, if you have mallets at your house, you could use mallets. Ooh, it actually sounds sort of cool. Okay. So if you remember my B section goes ta, rest, ti, ti, ta, tika, tika, ta, tika, tika, ta, half, rest, ta, rest. Okay, so I'm going to play that. I don't even really have planned exactly which one I'm going to play. I'm just going to let the music tell me what to do. Okay, here I go. Okay, so that was my B section. Okay, now I'm going to practice my C section. Ooh, I have lots of half notes in my C section, so I might want to turn my can sideways for this part so I could scrape it for 2 beats like this. Okay, here I go. C section. Okay. So there was my C section. Once you get really good, try to practice going from your B section right into your C section. Once you get really good at that, I will post the A section for you to see as well. Try to do it in rondo form. So do A, B, A, C, A. So we're ready to perform at our Google Meets. I hope you guys have fun. The 2 things to know for sure is make up your B section and make up your C-section. 12 beats long for each of them. Have fun. Hope to see you soon.